Good afternoon, guys. Anup, good afternoon, Anup. Today we'll start our live. Now we will start our live. So guys, before that, like किसी ने कोई ट्रेड लिया था, anyone took any trade? आप में से किसी ने गोल्ड में ट्रेड लिया हो या किसी और पेयर में? Any other pair, guys? Anyone took any trade? Guys, anybody took any trade, huh? If you want to discuss, guys, anyone wants to discuss any trade you took? GBP USD. Shashank, did you took a trade in GBP USD? So GBP USD, if you see, GBP USD, if you see in 4 hours. So 4 hours, what happened? Since last few days, GBP USD is in heavy sell on rise issue. Now it is trying to go up. So maybe one thing it can do is that it can again try to test these levels, these lower lows, and then these higher lows it can test, and then it can go again. So in bigger time frame, GBP USD chart is looking bullish. One hour. Let's check 1 hour. Candle sweep waiting for market structure shoot. See, Anup, what happened now? After a long time, after a long consolidation, gold has given a breakout. Okay, so maybe after a long breakout, what happens is that try to take long positions. Try to follow the trend of the market. Understood? Try to follow the trend of the market. Unnecessarily, if you are taking trades, what will happen is that it will keep trapping you like this. If you see what happened, this was the high, broke this high, again came down, but again went up. This was the new high, broke this high, tried to went down, but again consolidating and trying to go up. So when an asset is going up, it's an uptrend, so try to go for uptrend only, na, because every high you cannot sell, every rise you cannot sell, na. Sometimes it can give you a good points like this, but if market is bullish, try to go long only. Try to find the support areas, then from their support areas try to go long. Anup, understanding what I am trying to say? If you see the gold is going up, then try to go long only, na. Try to find long positions. Why to find unnecessarily short positions? Because after a long time, gold has given a breakout. So I think I should try to take a trade based on the breakout only. I should take a trade based on the breakout only, na. GBP USD, guys, as we were discussing, on the bigger time frame, GBP USD is bullish. In that lower time frame, what happened? It can again try to test support areas. It can again touch and support test the support areas. If you see from this point, it gave a very good rally. It gave a very good rally. Some order blocks, you can say this order block, you can say this order block is pending. So if you are trying to go short, Shashank, you are saying that you are long, GBP USD long. So it is looking bearish to me. In the intraday level, in a short term perspective, it is looking bearish to me. It can again try to test these levels. These levels it can again try to test. You see, it can again try and come test these levels. So if you are long, you have to be very careful while planning entry. नीलेश राठौर जी, आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया हो? Any trade you took? Yes sir, now I'm going long when price comes to any POE. Okay, POE. Let's make it like this also. Guys, one short position we can take. One short position we can take. Let me quick login. Gold, one short position I will try to take from here. Guys, I can plan one very short entry I am looking to plan in gold. One very short entry I am trying to plan. This will be my stop loss. 4 points I will be taking a stop loss, and 1:2 as we discussed, we will try to take. So 4083 will be my entry, guys, in gold. $4083, guys, I will try to go short. One lot I am taking. 4087 I will try to go stop loss, and 1:2 4075. So guys, I have placed my order. As you can see, I have placed my order. It's going very fast. Expectation in New York session. Anup, if you see, pairs are trying to go up. You see, pairs are trying to go up. Gold is also giving a very good breakout after a long consolidation. If I remove everything, if you see, after a very long consolidation on daily time frame, it is giving a very good breakout. It's a very good breakout. So if this breakout sustains, again we can see gold will again can do a buy on dip pattern. Again can gold do a buy on dip pattern. So if I mark this range, you see this range if I am marking, so when breakout will come now, it will goes the same point on the upside. So 4200 we can plan on the upper side. 4200 on the upper side we can plan. देख रहा हूँ कि बिटकॉइन सेलिंग साइड ब्रेक द लेवल 1,05,800 करोड़ या बाय साइड ब्रेक द. Let's check BTC. So BTC, what it is trying to do is that, as you see, this was the demand zone. Here it gave a proper breakdown. So now again we can, it is retesting these levels. It is retesting these levels or not. So what we can do is that we will wait for this thing to break down. What happened here? It tested this level. So wait for structure. Wait for structure. Let me remove this thing. See, Nilesh, I told you, like chart, if you see, this was the demand zone. This was the demand zone. Multiple time market has respected this demand zone. Here breakdown, retracement. So again we can see there can be a short-term sell side in BTC, short-term downside in BTC. So I will be trying to go short position. I will be looking for short position in BTC. What I will do is that I will try to go short from somewhere these levels. Somewhere these levels I will try to go short. This will be my stop loss, and this at least 1:2. This will be my target. At least these will be my target. 1:2 I will try to capture. One is to 2 I will try to capture. So this will be my stop loss and target in BTC. Mohammad Wasim, gold में why we are taking entry? I'll show you. See, gold has given very good this thing. See, I will open the gold chart. See, it is making this thing range. It is making range. So whenever gold or any asset making range, and when it will touch the upper band of the range, and that breakout or that level is respected, it will directly go to the lower band of the range. It will go to the lower band of the range, and when lower band is touched and respected, it will go to the higher side of the band. Understood? It will go to the higher side of the band. So these are the logics that I am following. See, overall, if you ask me, in a bigger time frame and positional, gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. Only for intraday perspective or only for this short term range trading, I am going short. I am trying to go short. Otherwise, overall view is bullish. Long term perspective or positional perspective, market has given gold has given a very good breakout. So maybe we can expect buy on dip pattern, buy on dip continuation. Guys, anyone else to can I trade? Anyone else to can trade, guys? GBP USD, if we check now, if I check GBP USD, see as we Euro USD, if we check. So if you see Euro USD, what it is doing is that, just a second, guys, maybe some issue. So guys, this is the initial support for Euro USD. This is the initial support for Euro USD, 1.1553. You see, multiple time market has tested these levels. If again market is coming tested these levels, I will try to go for long position. If you see, there was some FVG here. You can see this was the breaker block. This was the OB. But OB is not yet successful. Why? Because this high is not taken out. This high is yet not taken out. So I will again try to plan long from these levels, guys. I will try to take go long from these levels. My stop loss will be this, target will be this high. This will be my stop loss. So 1:2 guys, 1:2 you can see. This I will try to take in Euro USD. Mohammed Wasim, the gold is higher, time frame is bullish. Sir, in evaluation phase, shall we trade in every indices space, crypto, just trade on it? देखिए अनूप जी, trade with trade asset which is comfortable for you. Any asset in which you are comfortable, any asset which you think is working for you, trade in that asset. Try to find out 2 to 3 assets. First, master the price action, must understand their price action structure, everything. Then try to diversify your trading instruments. First, stick with 2 to 3. Understood? Karthik ji, today I made 1:5 in gold. Karthik ji, very good. See, 1:5 you made very good. Maybe in long side you took entry, very good. See guys, I was trying to take entry here. I missed entry here. Then directly came to the target levels. Just 2-3 minutes we missed. 2-3 points, 2-3 minutes we missed. And directly you see exactly took the liquidity of these candles and then fell down. And then fell down. So if you see from here to here, 7 points guys. Almost 1:2. Almost it gave 60 years. And Karthik ji, very good. Whatever if you capture 1:6 in gold, very good. If you capture 1:6 in gold, very good. See guys, I was planning my entry somewhere here only. Market exactly these levels. I was expecting one more consolidation. Then I was expecting this kind of fall, but it already gave. You see, it already almost gave 1:2. You see, I have already put my pending order. But I will, if again I am getting entry, I will try to go short. I will again try to go short if it is again coming. Guys, anyone else to carry trade? Anyone else to carry trade? Please ask. If you are holding anything, if you want any analysis, please ask. See, the point of doing this, all this, everything live analysis is that ki aap, like if you guys have an issue, you can ask me. Any issue you are facing with LiveX Capital or Cryptex, so that you can ask me. Okay. Try to take trades. Otherwise, if you are not taking trades, there is no point. If you are not taking trades, there is no point, guys. Try to take trades. Try to understand the structures, all these things. Understood, guys? Try to understand the structures. GBP USD, let's check GBP USD. This is also a valid order block. This is also a valid order block. Guys, anyone to carry trade? Anyone to carry trade? So one of today's stop loss disappeared after some time of trade and closed trade without stop loss. This will impact valuation. Stop loss disappeared. Taslim ji, I didn't get, like, stop loss disappeared. How? Stop loss disappeared how? Like, did you forgot to put stop loss? GBP USD short. शशांक जी इंट्राडे लेवल पे शॉर्ट है अभी, थोड़े शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए शॉर्ट लग रहा है, लाइक फॉर 2-3 आवर्स। GBPUSD के लिए मैंने आपको बताया था, like I told you, nearby to these levels it can come, then I will try to go long, in GBPUSD. Guys, Taslim ji, what you are trying to say, I am not able to understand. Stop loss disappeared after some time of trade and closed trade without stop loss. Like, how can it disappear? Did you forgot to put stop loss or what? So first, confirm this, please. No planning to take trade in USD. Okay, no issues, Mohammad Wasim ji. 15 minutes MSS you are looking. Let's check 15 minutes. Anup, see, whatever you are doing now, if it is working for you, just stick with it, okay? Whatever you are doing, if it is working for you now, then stick with it, okay? Whatever it is, if it is working for you, if it is making you profitable, then stick with it. Guys, I have planned my entry in gold. I am waiting for my levels to come. If you can see, 4083 I have planned. Stop loss is 4 points, which is $400. Target will be 1:2, which is $800, guys. Taslim ji, system glitch won't be possible because while putting stop loss, system glitch should not be there now. You can do one thing, just text on, connect with the support team. Okay, try to tell them your issue. Understood? Try to tell them their issue. Guys, whoever taking trade, please follow your proper risk management. Risk appetite. Without risk management, don't take any trade, guys. Without risk management, please don't take any trade. What is your account size? Based on that, how much risk you are willing to take? What is your risk appetite? So consider all these things, then only take a trade, guys. Meanwhile, in between, don't take trade. Understood? So if I show you, my account is 50,000 account. I am in phase 2, $500 I am profit. So I am taking risk of $400. Okay. So whatever trade you are taking, make sure you are following your proper risk management, or make sure that you are taking trades based on proper account size and everything. You tell me standard account. Now trade short or long. Taslim ji, where are you asking, short or long? Can you tell me standard account? What standard account you are asking, Karthik? What standard account you are asking? Can you be a little more specific? Are you asking about this thing? So guys, I have placed my entry, stop loss, target, everything. No working, sir, only losing 89 on your account. Taslim, the order, this is a short side order in gold. This is short side order in gold. If I show you, see this sell limit 4083 will be my entry price, activation price. No working, sir, only losing 8 to 9 trades and one funded account. Just follow the rules which was told me in the syllabus in LW. Anup ji, rules, if you are following rules, but if still you are hitting SL, so there will be some problem with your strategy now. If you are hitting stop loss, so whatever the logic you are using, whatever the strategy you are using, based on that, your stop loss are getting hit now. But if you're see rules, so you have to follow. Okay, rules, so you have to follow. Rules, so you have to follow. Rules, so everyone has to follow. Otherwise, what will happen? One or two time maybe your account will survive, but one trade, what will happen? Your profit will go away and your account will wipe out. So rules, so you have to follow. Just whatever the trades you have taken, based on that trade, try to find out what is the issue, like what is the logic you are using. See, Mohammad Wasim ji, Euro USD, I said that I will try to go long from these levels only. I will try to go long with these levels only, with stop loss of this swing low, and my target will be 1:2. My target will be 1:2. So gold is coming to our entry, guys. Gold is almost coming to our entry, guys. See, Anup, there are two things. First thing is the logic. Second thing is the risk management. If your logic is clear now, there is no psychology. Why? Because you know that I am going to short from that level, and if price is coming to that level, see for example, see according to my logic, if gold is coming to this level, I will try to short. I will go short. This will be my stop loss. This will be my target. So here I have defined my logic, and based on that logic, I have taken a trade. So there is no psychology here. Why? Because everything is fixed. Stop loss is fixed, target is fixed, entry price is fixed, based on the logic. And I have defined my risk $400, profit $800, because I am taking 1% risk of my account. So I have defined my risk management also. So if everything is fixed now, there will be no psychology, because I have fixed everything. It's see, practice. Do more practice. Okay, take paper trades. Take paper trades. Here you can take. Here you can take paper trades in TradingView itself. Take paper trades in TradingView. Okay, this is paper trading account. Take paper trades in TradingView only. In the beginning, so everyone will get stop losses. No need to worry. No need to worry. With time you will understand. Okay, with time you will understand. No need to worry. No need to worry. With time you will understand. Okay, no need to worry. Just follow whatever you are doing. Okay, just follow whatever you are doing. See, Anup, I will tell you one more thing. I will tell you in explained manner, in this thing, in detailed manner. See, first thing is the logic. See, Anup, first thing is the logic. Guys, everyone try to understand. First is the logic. First is the logic. Here if you see, I have defined my logic now that I will take a trade, short position, when market will come to these levels. I will put my stop loss at above the high of the last swing. My target will be this, based on 1:2. Why this target? See this gold. This is the trade I am planning. Entry high, stop loss high of the last swing high. This is my target. So my logic is clear now in this trade. So if my logic is clear, there will be no greed, there will be no fear. Without hesitation, I will be able to hold my position or not. I will be able to hold my position or not. Understood? So if your logic is clear now, you will be able to hold your position properly. There will be no fear, there will be no greed, because you have defined your logic, and based on that logic only you are taking a trade. Second thing is risk management. See guys, second thing is the risk management. In this trade, if you see, I have defined my risk. I have defined my risk $400, profit $800. If you see, $400 is like less than 1% of my account value. If you see, my account is 50K phase 2 account. I am already in profit of $500. So I know that even if I get a stop loss, I will lose $400. No issues. But in case if I get a target, I will make $800. So risk reward ratio is in my favor. So if your logic is clear, there will be no hesitation. And if risk management is clear now, you can easily hold a trade. In between, if market is making noise, if market is going up down like this, you will be easily able to hold your trade. Why? Because you know that your maximum, in case stop loss hits, you will lose $400. I know that I will lose maximum $400. I cannot lose more than that. And if I get a target, I will make $800. Understood? So this is what you have to follow. This is what you have to follow. So I'm waiting for my entry. Guys, anyone took any trade? Please ask. Anup, you understood like this risk management and logic thing. Guys, everyone understood now this risk management and logic, these things. See, I'm waiting for my entry. Guys, I'm waiting for my entry. See, gold is going down without giving us again entry. See guys, again we missed our entry from here. Again we missed our entry. You see, again we missed our entry. You see, again gold has given us a very good downside move. See guys, again gold has given us a again we missed our entry in gold. I'm waiting for my entry, guys. Let's see. Let's see what happened. See guys, directly going to the targets without giving us entry. So sometimes this is also an issue. If you see, it has already given 1:1, so it has already given. Again we missed our entry, guys. See, it is coming to our entries. Euro USD is coming to our entry. GBP USD. GBP USD, guys, also if you see, as I was discussing, see, somewhere near these levels I will try to go long. These are interesting price. This is a demand zone according to me. I will wait the structure. I will check the structure, what kind of structure it is forming. Then I will try to go long in GBP USD. See guys, I think gold will give us now a direct target without giving us entry. Without giving us entry, gold can give us a target now. Anu by asking USD CHF. USD CHF. So USD CHF is now making buy on sell on rise pattern. So this is the this thing. Try to go long above this level. Try to go long above this level. This will be a stop target. This will be our entry in USD CHF. Anup is asking like how to differentiate between MSS and inducement. How to differentiate? See, market structure shift will be there now. What will happen? It will follow proper pattern. It will follow proper pattern. If you see here, I am showing you. You see, it is proper following patterns or not? This was the breakout of structure here. See, this was the breakout of structure. Market went up, support. Now this is again support. Now here it broke the support. Here broke the support. Now we can say there is a change in market structure shift. And if you see proper retracement it has done, then again falling. Again falling. Now this is the thing. If you see, this is the low. Now if market is again trying to go down, then we can say again there is a now breakout BOS will be there. If it falls down this like this, now this BOS it will take. We can say this is a proper sell on rise pattern or not. Bro, can you please explain about investment tech trading products? See, first avoid all the major news like NFP. If you are a beginner, avoid NFP. CPI data, GDP data, all this triple star news try to avoid. If you see here, you see today so there is no big news. If you see this thing, any news which is triple star, try to avoid, like interest rate decisions, NFPs, CPI data, GDP data, inflation data, all these data try to avoid. All these data try to avoid. Guys, if we check our gold, see gold is going down without giving us our entry. See guys, almost without giving us our entry, it gave target. So today was not our day. Almost we missed our entry. We missed our entry. So we missed our entry. See, understood? You understood, bro? Like try to avoid NFP, GDP data, inflation data, CPI, and this thing, interest rate decision data. All these events, what will happen is that there will be unexpected volatility and this thing, manipulation in the market. Chances are that your stop loss can also skip. So avoid these days. Avoid these days. GBP USD. See, GBP USD slowly coming to our targets. Slowly coming to our demand zone. Euro USD. See guys, same Euro USD, slowly it is coming. Gold, again we missed our entry. First we missed here by 2-3 minutes, then it came to these levels, but our entry price was this 4084, and from there it went down. It gave more than 1:1.5. It gave more than 1:1.5. So guys, if I show you pending orders, my entry was 4083 and it reversed from 4082.5 guys. 4082.5 it reversed, and from there to there, if you see, more than 6.5 points it has given. So almost near to target. If you see, this was the previous high, previous low. Now it took the previous swing low. If you see, this was the previous swing low and exactly took this low. Now it is again trying to go up. That is how generally gold moves. It will take the liquidity from upside and downside, both sides, then it will move. Guys, anyone else to carry trade? Guys, anyone else to carry trade? Guys, anybody to carry trade? See, this is the logic of the entry. Well, this is the logic of the entry. Gold is in a range. This channel you can see. What I said, I will sell from the high or I will buy from the bottom. So this is the logic that I was taking trade. Here what happened, gold missed our entry guys. Here it missed our entry and now it went down. Almost touched our target, 1:2. Almost touched our target, you can see this. Guys, anyone else took any trade now? Please ask now. If you took any trade, if you are holding anything. If you are holding anything, anyone? See, gold is making proper pattern. Proper, it is consolidating. It is consolidating properly. What time frame candles to see to take a decision? See, you have to check the time frames in larger time frames to find out the trend levels. And for taking entry, you can go for 5 minutes also, 1 minute also. For entry and exit, you can go for 5 minutes and 1 minute. For confirmation of trend, for confirmation of biasness, to finding out support resistance level, you can go for bigger time frames, 30 minutes, 4 hours, something like that. Anuradha is saying gold is retracing between 4,760. Anuradha ji, gold is retracing. See, that is why I planned my entry here. If you see, it took support from the resistance from this level only, and then went down. You see, this is the high it made. And from there it fell down. Almost 1:2 it gave. GBP USD, can we enter again? Okay, gold you book profit when it covered FVG. Okay, no issues, you can do that also. No issues, but I was waiting for a proper entry here. Then I was waiting for a proper entry here. It did not give, it covered the FVG. If we go in 1 minute, it covered the proper FVG if you see, and then fall down. GBP/USD. See, Shashank, I told you levels in GBP/USD or not. Like at which places we will try to enter. So I told you now, this is the place where I will be looking to enter. Now what we can do is that we can patiently wait for our entry. Okay. Patiently wait for entry. Understood? Patiently wait for your entry. In between here also, when you started live stream, you said that you were long. See, it is going down only or not. So I'm waiting for these levels. According to me, these levels are important. See, this is a proper order block, and FVGs are there. So it has to mitigate this FVG and order block, and then only it will go up. So patiently wait for your targets. Patiently wait for your entry. In trading, the most important thing is how to enter at proper levels. How to enter at proper levels. If you make a mistake in your entry, then what will happen is that there will be fear. There will be a fear. Understood? There will be a fear. So properly wait for your entries. Properly wait for your entries. So guys, if you see now, this was the entry in gold. It is not coming. I don't think entry will come now, or if it comes, maybe it can reverse. So guys, we will do one thing. We will cancel our this trade. We will cancel our this trade. Okay. We will cancel our this trade. I was expecting that it can come to this level, and then from there we can see a good fall, and it gave us a good fall, but our entry did not activate it. Our entry did not execute it, and then it fell down. So we missed a very good trade, 1:2 trade. So we missed a very good trade, 1:2 trade. We missed a very good trade. Guys, anyone took any trade in any other this thing pair? Any other pair you took any trade, guys? Guys, anyone took any trade in any other pair? So guys, I have told you now, this is the range in gold. Guys, you can say this. This is the range in gold. So this is the range in gold. I was trying to take a short position from here. If you see, this candle missed our entry and then it fall down. So what you can do is that wait for some times now. Don't enter blindly anywhere. First thing is that gold, after a very long time, after almost 10 to 12 trading sessions, it has given a breakout. If you see, after 10 to 10 trading session, it has given a proper breakout. So if market is sustaining, gold is sustaining, we can again expect 4,200 levels. These levels we can expect, guys. So if you are planning for short position, plan very carefully with proper risk management. Otherwise, try to plan for a long position only. Try to find out support levels, then plan for long position. For short position, you have to be extra careful. Understood, guys? So I think we can do one thing. We can cancel our order. It was a very good entry, missed our entry, and then gold gave us almost 1:2. Gold almost gave us 1:2, guys. So guys, I am cancelling my order. I have cancelled my order. So we'll do one thing. We'll close our stream now. 6:30 also we have a stream. 6:30 Harsh will be taking, so you can join that stream also. There also we will be discussing same thing, and we will be trading also in front of you guys. So try to join every day. You will understand a lot of things. You will understand a lot of things. Okay, guys. So I will close stream now.